In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the VLC file system error cannot open file step by step. This is a very common error in VLC Media Player, and it usually happens when VLC can't access the video or audio file you're trying to play. The good news is that in most cases, this issue is easy to fix once you know what to check. I'll walk you through every step so you can get your file playing again without reinstalling VLC or losing your media. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software fixes like this. Let's get started. The first thing you want to check is the file path. This error often appears when the file has been moved, renamed, or deleted. Locate the file you're trying to open and make sure it actually exists in that folder. If you're opening it from a shortcut or from VLC's recent files list, try navigating to the folder manually and opening the file directly. Also check the file name itself. Very long file names or names with special characters can sometimes cause problems. To be safe, right-click the file, choose Rename, and give it a short, simple name, using only letters and numbers. Then try opening it again in VLC. If that doesn't fix the issue, the next step is to check File Permissions. Right-click on the file and select Properties. Go to the Security tab and make sure your user account has Read Permission enabled. If read access is blocked, VLC won't be able to open the file, and you'll see the file system error. If needed, click Edit, enable read permissions, apply the changes, and then try playing the file again. Now let's move on to another common cause. Sometimes the file is already being used by another program. This can happen if the file is open in a video editor, a media converter, or even a cloud sync service like OneDrive or Google Drive. Close any programs that might be using the file. If you're not sure, save your work, close unnecessary apps, and try again in VLC. This alone fixes the issue for many users. If the error still appears, the next step is to run VLC as administrator. On Windows, right-click the VLC Media Player shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This gives VLC higher permissions and can solve access-related errors, especially if the file is located in a protected folder. Once VLC opens with admin rights, try opening the file again and see if it plays normally. At this point, most file system errors should be resolved. To recap quickly, you check that the file exists and has a simple name, verified file permissions, closed other programs that might be locking the file, and ran VLC as administrator. These steps cover the most common reasons why VLC shows the file system error cannot open file message. If this video helped you fix the problem, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more VLC tips, Windows fixes, and easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.